I love nature. This is a big tree. Playing in the park is fun and safe. Wow, the park is so beautiful. Look, green trees, colorful flowers, and singing birds. I love nature. This is a big tree. Its leaves are green, and there's cool shade underneath. The air is fresh. I take a deep breath. Let's play. I love running, kicking the ball, and climbing. Playing in the park is fun and safe. In the park, I discover beautiful things. I play, I breathe, and I respect nature. Now tell me, what do you see in the park? What do you do? Say, I see, I play. The park is my friend, and I love it so much.